So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, you want to find the game that you're having a problem with. For example, like CS2 or just any other game that you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on installed files and then click on verify integrity of game files. You want to verify your game files. And then once that's been done, see if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go into your FACEIT AC folder. For me, I'm going to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. On the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now for me, I have it installed on my Windows drive. It has the Windows logo on it. I'm going to double click on it. Then I'm going to open up Program Files. And I've got FACEIT AC right here. So you want to click on your FACEIT AC folder. Now once we're here, you want to find FACEIT Client. Once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on Properties. And you want to select Digital Signatures. Choose the signature that comes up and then click on Details. And then click on View Certificate. And then click on Install. And then click on Next, Next, and then Finish. Once you've installed that, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.